we're bringing you with us to Disney California Adventure for an action-packed day. And we're also giving away a $100 Amazon gift card. More on the giveaway at the end of the video, but the short version is you need to subscribe and leave a comment to enter. We'll tell you how to get extra entries at the end of the video, so don't miss out. But this isn't just a quick trip. We're on day 11 of an epic theme park adventure. Will we even make it through the day? Let's find out. But first, here's 30 seconds of breakfast.
So are we maybe a little bit tired this morning? Our feet hurt and all we did was walk to the elevator.
I think we finally hit our limit.
Note to self, it's 11 days.
Too many.
We're gonna let our little dude ride Guardians this time. He has been a daredevil the whole trip and loved it. And he's tall enough, so that'll be a fun first experience. I don't know how many cookies it takes to be happy, but so far it's not 30 seconds. All right, finishing breakfast, gotta go. We'll be there close to 8-ish, maybe.
Well, it's after 8. We missed rope drop, but it's only 8:30. That's not too bad. Radiator Springs Racers is down, so we rode Luigi with hopes that we might be close when it reopens. Don't miss this ride, by the way. Okay, it doesn't actually go this fast, but it's a lot of fun. Racers still isn't open, so we grabbed a Guardians Lightning Lane for 9. I usually wouldn't use a Lightning Lane this early, but it changes to Monsters After Dark at 3, and the app counts it as a completely different ride. Make sure you grab your Mission Breakout Lightning Lane early in the day.
If you raise your hands, I get the clearance. Then the chaos begins.
And here's my dude's first time riding. I thought he did really well, but then I saw the photo. Now, I try to keep my kids' pictures off of the internet as much as possible for their privacy, but trust me, he looks green in this picture, and he is not having a great time. Poor guy. Also, shout out to whoever's texting with their flashlight turned on during the ride. Fellow YouTubers, don't be like that. I like my 360 camera because the screen is turned off while recording. And when I use my phone on a dark ride, I turn down the brightness and press it against my body so it doesn't disturb anybody else. Come on, a flashlight? Really? Don't do that.
Clear the runway.
Oh, we're sitting here outside of Soarin'. My youngest has done a ton of drop towers. He's 5. This is like he's done 4 drop towers this trip and has loved every single one of them. Shock to me. He knows he wants to try it out. And so we let him, just to kind of see what happens. The up was fine, but he didn't really like the down very much. About 15 minutes later, he starts kind of going a little bit and saying his stomach hurts, and I'm like, oh no, we need to get near some plants so that when he throws up, he does it there and not in the middle of a sidewalk or on someone. He's good. No protein spill, totally fine, but Mrs. Teacups and my oldest went on Soarin'. I decided to stay back with the little one and maybe we'll just be calm, let his stomach settle. We thought about taking him to the baby care center, which is just across the pier by Ghirardelli's. He's actually totally fine. So, momentary, no spills, no queasiness. Whew. Dodged a bullet on that one. I think we're gonna stay away from jarring, thrilling things for maybe another hour anyway. Mrs. Teacups, this is for you. It's really your fault. See, the problem is that you left me alone and unsupervised. So, while y'all were riding Soarin', I may have done a thing. Or 2. We're gonna have to hide these so Mommy doesn't get mad at Daddy, buddy. But they're cool. I'm in so much trouble. You can't leave me alone, like, even for a second.
We want a calm ride, and we're pretty close to Little Mermaid. This is actually last year before Disney put in its Lightning Lane on the Little Mermaid. I had literally never waited in line for this ride before Disney gave it one. Now the line takes 30 minutes. It's ridiculous. Yep, that's all you get before YouTube gives the video a copyright. We stopped for a quick lunch, and then we wandered across the pier for our Lightning Lane on the Incredicoaster.
4, 3, 2, 1,
we started up a live stream. Did you catch it live? Subscribe and turn on the all notifications bell so you don't miss a moment. After the stream, we walked back to the hotel for a quick nap to recharge.
Monsters After Dark.
We caught this cool Guardian show while my little dude and I were waiting to rider swap Monsters After Dark.
Is that for a sound box?
It's a boombox. Oh, you're so cool.
The vibe is very different from Mission Breakout. All the alarms are going off, the video's a little crazy, pretty cool. Then we took the incredibly efficient route through Avengers Campus, stopped to take a photo with Lightning McQueen, then ran straight through Cars Land all the way through the San Francisco Square, across the bridge, and down Paradise Pier so we didn't miss our lightning lane for Goofy's Sky School that expired at 4 o'clock. I grabbed it before we left for our hotel, so it is what it is. This ride is crazy, and somehow this is our very first time ever riding it. You really feel like you're gonna get thrown off on these sharp turns that don't bank. I loved it, but I think I was the only one.
Do you know what this is? It's another drop tower, but it's one that you like. Isn't it weird how different drop towers are all different?
Yes! Retribution! My little dude gets to ride a drop tower that won't make him sick. And he liked it so much, we had to go again.
Are you having fun? I'm having fun. You know why I'm having fun? Because we got our hotel and park tickets with Getaway today. You can do the same thing. Real quick, guys, 855-GETAWAY. Give them a call. At least see if they can save you all that money on your tickets, your hotel. It's not just the sticker price. Sometimes they can waive resort fees. Sometimes they have reduced parking in addition to their already low rates, which is often on top of regular coupons like a 4th night free or other type of events they may have. Give them a call, ask, see what's up. Be amazed at the service they have too, not just the prices, service they give you the entire time. Tell them Ride the Teacups sent you, you'll save even more. There's no downside. Check them out. Getaway today, links in the description.
Then it's back to Cars Land because the sun is setting. The light show happens at sunset each day and the Halloween version is awesome. I uploaded a demonetized video with the actual music. Check it out after this one's over. But don't go away now because we're finally getting on Radiator Springs Racers After Dark. I've always rope dropped this one, so I've never seen it with all the outside lights on. It was awesome. In fact, all of Cars Land... Oh, I guess I didn't like that take. Okay. All of Cars Land is awesome after dark, especially during the Halloween season. And I love the spooky eyes on the buildings here in the back of the land. Then a strange thing happened. We're hungry, but the Disneyland app says mobile ordering isn't available anywhere in the park for an hour. We had to leave and go across to Disneyland for a late dinner. And I'm so glad, because apparently there's a dance party happening here. I didn't know that. We got lucky and grabbed a table right next to all the fun, and the kids had a blast. The Disney villains get up on stage and teach the kids how to dance to the music.
Step, go. Step, go. Step, go. Now let's go a little faster. Here we go. Step, go. Step, go. Step, go. Step, go.
My youngest loved every second, and I mean, he's never acted like this for a show, ever. So Mrs. Teacups and my oldest left to get a good spot to watch the fireworks. But this might just be my little dude's favorite thing he's ever done. So I didn't want to make him leave. We ended up missing half of the fireworks show, but we found a little spot near the Small World projections and still had fun. And on the way out, I had to watch my favorite sign. I love this sign. I hope y'all had fun. You know what else is fun? Entering to win a $100 Amazon gift card. Make sure you're subscribed and leave a comment on this video. When we reach 2,000 subscribers, we'll draw a random comment from one of our videos to win. You have to be subscribed anyway, so turn on all notifications. The more videos you comment on, the more chances you have to win. The winner needs to be at least 18 and live in the United States. That's basically it, but I've linked the complete rules in the description. Good luck! Here's the Cars Land Lights video I promised you. And if you want to see why we're so tired, maybe check out our trip to Disneyland the previous day. You can find the entire playlist on our profile if you want. We love you. We'll see you next time we ride the Teacups. Later, y'all.